The war has heated up. The infinite gauntlet is too powerful, breaking all time and space. The Avengers and Thanos gathered all heroes from different time and space, forming a new army. The war is breaking out now.
3, 2, 1.
Wait. We've got new heroes from different time and space. Why not say hi first? A puppy? Are you kidding me? Stop! You burned us! Let me hit and kill them.
Captain Tina and Duty, all scout ahead.
They are poisonous. Don't pick up. That's enough. This is a war, okay? Let's fight. Kill them. Who is with me? Amen. Damn, you disturbed me. I am Baymax. Stop fighting. We should live in peace.
I am Groot.
I am Baymax.
I am Groot.
Oh god, do you fight or not? Let's fight. I'm a healthcare robot. I love peace.
We are Groot.
Wow.